If you need to temporarily disable your Wealthsimple Visa card for security reasons, this video will show you exactly how to lock it in just a few taps. The process is quick, and you can unlock the card again anytime if you find it later. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your phone. Once the app opens, you will see all of your accounts on the main screen. Look for your credit card account and tap on it. This will take you to the credit card page. Here, you can see information such as your current balance, available cashback, and recent transactions. Next, tap on the card that appears on the screen. This will open the card management settings. Inside the card settings, look for the option called Lock Card. Simply turn on the lock card switch. As soon as you enable it, your Wealthsimple Visa card will be locked immediately. This helps prevent new purchases from being made with the card while it is locked. A quick tip: locking your card is useful if you have misplaced it or noticed something suspicious. If you later find your card, you can come back to the same screen and turn off the lock card option to start using it again. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Guides and Beyond for more simple and easy to follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.